Hi, I'm Sarah from YMSN Support Network, and today we're bringing you a video in two parts. In the first part, I'm going to be just talking really briefly about one little element of self-care for you to think about this month. And in the second part, I'm going to be showing you a really simple creative activity that you can do at home to help decorate and make yourself feel all festive and wintry for this season. An important part of self-care and thinking about the things that make you feel good inside is actually thinking about other people. And I wanted to share with you something from the organisation Action for Happiness, which is a kindness calendar, which you can download from their website. And I'll put the link in with this video. And it's something that I've found really lovely to start doing this December, both myself and with my children, because it just prompts you to think about the little things that we can do each day to brighten up somebody else's day. And that in turn gives us a really good feeling. So yeah, some of the ideas here are: give kind comments to as many as people as possible today. Buy an extra item and donate it to a food bank. Really simple little things that you know are going to make a difference and will make a difference to how you feel as well. So I just wanted to share that briefly. So for our little creative activity, we're just going to be making really simple snowflakes out of white paper, and these look really pretty stuck up in your window. You can colour them in, add some glitter or stickers, decorate them however you want. And I've got a few different little designs. That's one my son did the other day. So what we're going to do here is have a little video of me showing you how you can make it just out of a simple A4 bit of white paper and some scissors. So all you need is a piece of white A4 paper and some scissors, a pen, and I've got a coin for one of my designs. So first of all, we need to make our A4 bit of paper into a square. So the easiest way of doing that is by folding over one of the corners across to the top, and where it meets and can be straight, we then fold it down like so, and then we can cut off this excess paper, and then we leave it folded and we fold it in half again along this folded edge like that. And then the next bit is quite important to get right. We basically want to fold it in thirds. So I hold down the corner, bend one side over, bend the other side over, and then shuffle it into place so that it's equal, both sides, and then fold it down like that. And then we can get our scissors and just trim those top corner bits off. So then we've got our folded paper, and there's one side that covers all the folds in, and this is the side where we're going to have our design. and it's important that we leave some of this folded edge uncut to hold our snowflake design all together. So I'm going to make one a bit like this design, which has got a circle at the top. So I'm going to use draw around half of this coin that covers over that main fold. Then I'm going to have a little bit of a straight bit, excuse me, then a little branch that comes out into another circle, and you can probably see which bits on the snowflake I'm drawing. And we come down straight again and have another little, here I'm making this joining up bit, and then it's going to come down straight to the end. There we are. So all there is left to do is cut out our shape. So we're cutting out this area of white on this side and leaving that all joined together. So I'm going to do that as carefully as I can. These scissors are way too big for this job, but I found those smaller ones are just not quite strong enough to cut through all the layers of paper that we've got in our folded up snowflake. So that's one section. I'm going to do this bottom section. There we go. And then just have to do this middle piece now. And we are almost done. There we are. So we've got our cut out, and all we need to do now is unfold it carefully. So just need to get to the middle bit. And start gently unfolding. There we go, halfway. There. And once I've cleared a bit of space, you can see a really pretty snowflake ready to be stuck in your window, coloured in, glittered, glued to a card, all sorts of ideas.